Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, we're gonna talk about eBay slows. eBay slows. We're gonna talk about eBay having slow sales, y'all. Really slow sales. Anyway, let's get to it. Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Big Buff, Buffalo Picker? Yeah, him, Glass City, and Mess Hall Digs. Have you ever heard of my boy from California? Yeah, the old dude. Yeah. What's his name? I forgot his name. But yeah, he the picker out there in California. Yeah. Have you ever heard of my boy Casey from North Carolina, South Carolina? Well, I don't care. Have you ever heard of my boy Mountain Man Treasures? Yeah. He a good man. Y'all need to watch his videos. Have you ever heard, Ella? Have you ever heard of Shah? Have you ever heard of my boy, what's his name, from California again? Yeah, Big D. Have you ever heard of him? Have you ever heard of Regina Michelle? Yeah, they got a show, Hump Day Hangout. Take them out on Wednesday nights. But anyway, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and all I want to do is say, woo! That we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, I don't know. Let's talk about these sales, y'all. Let me turn this air conditioner on. It's been slow on eBay. Everybody know that. But the thing is, you know, I got 1,000 items I can list every month. 1,000 items. Oh, excuse me. But I'll listen up at like 200 probably 150, something like that a month. Probably less than that half the time because I'm so busy. So I load the stuff on my phone, and then when I get a chance to list it, when I get a chance to list it, I pull over. If I'm, like right now, I'm stopped. I list a couple of items. So I'm almost listing every day. But the sales are still slow on eBay. I used to get like probably 6 to 10 sales a day. Now I'm down to like probably 2 or 3. But the thing is, it's stuff you could do to pick up your sales too. Like, all my stuff promoted listing. All of it. So I did, excuse me. What the hell? Damn. Anyway, I used to do 2%. I moved all the way up to 4%. That picked it up a little bit. I think eBay started promoting your stuff, whether you list or not, to try to make more sales on a promotion, try to get people to promote more. Because when I wake up in the morning, I got 1,300 items on eBay. When I wake up in the morning, it used to be like send offers like to 2 or 3 people. But lately it's been like 10 to 13 people to send items to. To send offers to lately. So it might be because too, that's the second thing I want to tell you, but I ain't want to get to it, and I'm gonna have to get to it now because it might be one of the reasons why that the promoted listings went up. I told you about, I raised it up to 4%. Then I told you about eBay might be promoting more if you raise your promotion fee up a little more, your promotion percentage up a little more. But I told you I had 1,000 listings a month. I also do 800 of those listings. I do cancel and sell similar every month. Cancel and sell similar. Every time I do that, I get about 2 or 3, 4, 5 sales. And I think that's one of the reasons why the promoted listings went up, because when I cancel and sell similar, but it didn't happen before. So That's why I'm saying it might be why. I'm thinking eBay changed their promoted listing policy and just promote listings whether you load every day or not. Because when I did that in the past, but I ain't do it every month. I did it like every 2 months. Because I don't want to waste my listings. Because I get 1,000 a month. I don't list number like 200. And every month, every 30 days your stuff start over again. So they take it from your list. So you might as well list and sell similar. You know what I'm saying? You might as well do that instead of letting them relist it. Relisting not gonna do nothing. Every 30 days they relist your stuff. So if I got 1,300 listings and say 800 is due to be relisted in 30 days, then I just wasted my listings because they just relisted it. When I could stop it and cancel all of them and resell similar. You know what I'm saying? To me, that's better. So I don't know if you guys' sales been, put it down in the comment, but I don't know if you guys' sales been low. Some people's sales, haven't changed. But all the people that I see on their videos and on that I know, excuse me, what the hell? What the hell? Anyway, all the people I see sell, well, not all of them, but a certain amount of people, sales are down. But anyway, y'all, that's just something I wanted to tell you. I want to run by you to see if you could do it too. Just if you do promoted listings, raise your percentage up. If you got enough to like, say if you just got a starter store and you got 250 listings and you're not gonna list 250, you might as well just take 100 of those or 125, whatever, and cancel and sell similar. You know what I'm saying? See if your sales pick up. Anyway, y'all, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but hey, I'm getting ready to hit it because I'm getting ready to get my Social Security. I'll be 62 May 31st, and I'm getting my money. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be getting like $2,200 a month, and I'm not passing that up. I got friends that say, man, I'm waiting till I'm 65. I said, man, you stupid. I said, man, if I get, say I round it off to $2,500, I mean to $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year. If I wait till I'm 65, say I wait 3 years, that's $72,000 that I already gave back to the government. I'm not giving them nothing back. I'm getting my money. Anyway, y'all, this Kevin. I hope y'all sales go up. This Kevin for Picking in the Hood too. And all I wanted to say is that, woo! We pick in the hood too. Yeah.